Hey Francis, what's up?
Hey Dash, what's up?
All good man, you tell me.
Man, SOS call.
Always there for you?
Need your help.
Go for it, tell me.
Well, I have some office people coming over for dinner
Okay?
and got to sort out the starter.
Quickly tell me what's your main course menu like.
Main course is sorted, it's a mix of stuff.
Okay?
But that's hard that we have, yeah.
So last night I really enjoyed these nachos with spiced beans. How does that sound?
That was perfect since I had nachos.
Okay, and how many people are you getting?
Oh,
4. So I'm going to show you how to make the best spiced beans ever. In the meanwhile, can you just order 1 can of baked beans?
perfect.
Alright.
Lifesaver.
Cheers man. Bye.
Hi, I'm Darshan Gokani and welcome to Easy Food with DG. On special request today, I'm going to show you how to make spiced beans. And for that you need a can of beans, red chili, tomato ketchup, garlic, green chilies, taco masala, salt, pepper, hing and oil. Let's get cooking. Add some oil and let it heat. To this, add your green chili and garlic. At this point, add some hing. Hing helps you digest the spice and beans better. Give it a nice mix. The garlic has started to brown. You add your beans. Time to add more spice. First, some red chili. I love to use red chili because not only the spice, it also gives a beautiful color to the dish. That should be good for now. Some taco masala and pepper. Give it a nice mix. Keep stirring at intervals and cook for about 5 minutes. Add some ketchup and give it a nice mix. Beans are ready. So Francis, that's how easy it is to make these spiced beans. I hope you have a rocking party. Enjoy!